I am back and I'm better, and that's just that on that. What's up guys, welcome to the weekly vlog. This is the first weekly vlog that I was telling y'all about. If y'all missed my last video, I said that I was going to be doing weekly vlogs from now on. I'm going to post them either every Friday, every Thursday or every Saturday. I don't know where Friday came from, but yeah, it's gonna be my weekly vlogs. This is gonna be either like a whole week or like a couple days throughout the week, depending on what I can get, because y'all do know I am going to be home now. I am coming on the camera looking really busted because my puff looks bad, like my hair is dry. I need to wash my hair, but from the title of this weekly vlog, y'all can tell that this is the vlog where I'm getting myself together. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow, I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. I was gonna get my lashes done in a few days, but my job scheduled me to work that day, and I'm typically off on those days, which is crazy. So now I can't get my lashes done, but it is what it is. As long as I get my hair and my nails done, we good, because that was gonna be my first time trying lash extensions anyway, so I was kind of scared, but it is what it is. I just ended up changing it so I didn't waste my deposit. Right now I literally just got off from work. If y'all remember my work attire, actually just got my package. This package is for an upcoming trip. The twins are having a little birthday get together, you know, at home, something small because of COVID, sadly, but I did still have to get stuff because we are supposed to be going out and doing a few things. So, you know, I had to get some outfits and get right. So this doesn't feel like a package they said got delivered. I don't even remember what I got. That's how long this took, but we're about to see, because I don't know. It said this package is supposed to be from Shein, but it kind of feels like my stuff from Fashion Nova. I don't know. I think they both come with FedEx, so I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so this is my stuff from Shein, but what is... Since this won't be like showing everything, I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff I got, because I think Shein, there's accessories. Oh, this bag is so cute. Oh my god. Now I got this off Shein. It is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. How do you open it though? Oh, just like that. That's cute. It has a little chain, even though I was gonna wear it like this because it's for a birthday dinner, and yeah, I was gonna hold it like a clutch. Oh my god, this is so cute. But I think this is probably pretty pricey though, and that's why it's good quality. Got my socks. Yeah, I don't want to give too much details of why I got the socks, but y'all will see coming up why I got the socks. God, did they send me? Oh, they sent it too. I will say these are really thin though, but it'll do. It's just for one little event, but because this pack had the color I needed, I ordered all of these. So yeah. The only thing I still have to do for today is I'm gonna go to Target, and I have to go buy some more shampoo and conditioner because I don't have any right now. I actually packed up my shampoo and conditioner, not thinking, you know, I started to wash my hair before tomorrow, because y'all know I am moving. So I already packed that up. I'm just gonna buy some more because I need more anyways, and then I'll wash and blow dry my hair, which is gonna take most of the night. Then my nail appointment is at 10 o'clock, y'all, so I go to sleep now early, which is good, but dang, like 10 o'clock, and then my hair appointment is at 3:30. So yeah, I'll just see y'all once I leave Target, because once I go in Target, I'm probably gonna pick up a lot of stuff that I don't need, as always. I am back home from Target. As you can tell, I got more than I needed to. But not, well, yeah, sort of, kind of. Of course, I did get the shampoo and conditioner. Target, they have like a big sale going on. Oh, let me set this right here. See, y'all can see me. Okay, they got like a big sale going on a lot of stuff, and it's like 15% off, and they had it really on the OGX. Y'all, they were wiped out. It was literally just $1 off, but you know, $1 does definitely matter, so everybody was racking up. and I missed it. So I went with this. I've never used this before, but this was basically the only thing they had left that I could find, so I just went with this. I also wanted to start taking like the vitamins, the multivitamins, the gummies, because I don't want to take those hard pills or swallow them. So I was like doing my research, looking on YouTubers that have been talking about vitamins, or like people I follow on Instagram that I know take vitamins, and I would ask like, you know, hey, what do you take, or what do you think I should take, because I feel like I need to boost my energy level. So the main thing they told me was that I needed vitamin D. I went out and got these multivitamin gummies. It's a Target brand, because the girl I talked to, she was like, you can get them from Walmart in their brand or Target in their brand. You don't necessarily need the name brand one, because that's what she uses. She's been using them for a long time. So I decided to get these. So we're gonna try these out and see. Plus they were on sale, so that was good too, because vitamins are expensive. Like, I literally did not know that. But I'll let y'all know how this works out for me. Now I'm about to shampoo and condition my hair, blow dry it, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Blow dried my hair. You know, we're giving forehead, like it's really the forehead for me. But that's it for today. Like I told y'all, my nail appointment is at 10 o'clock in the morning, so I really need to start getting ready for bed now, because it's like 8:30, 9 o'clock now, and I really don't like to get up in the morning. I need to make sure I get up and eat. So yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Okay, it is the next morning and I'm already running late. I told y'all I'm not a morning person, and here I go. Like, I am running super late. It's not like I'm gonna be late to my appointment, but there's things that I had arranged to do before my appointment, so after that appointment I can just get my feet done. But it's not giving that. So I still have to eat breakfast, y'all. I have like some fruits or something I'm gonna eat here, get a bottle of water, and call it a day until I get hungry again, because I don't have time to like eat how I want to. Another thing I wanted to tell y'all was, I'm not sure like how she feels about me recording. Of course I am going to ask to see if I can get that footage on camera. If not, then it won't be in the next clip, but I will still of course show y'all my nails and, you know, me getting my feet and stuff done. So yeah, like I said, I'm running late, so I'm just gonna stop rambling and finish getting my stuff together so I can hit the road. All right, so I am done getting my nails done. My nails look really, really good. I am going to insert some clips here for y'all to see my nails. So yeah, let's get into it. It's giving short, classy vibes.
Please make more. Please make more just like that.
Make more of your stuff that sounds very chill,
Yeah,
very mellow.
Like, ethereal.
This is my first time ever trying short nails in this square shape, and I can definitely say I love it. I am running a little low on time, so I decided that I was just gonna get my feet done another day or later, because I didn't think I was getting my nails done that long, and it's pouring and it's freezing now. Like, the weather is not giving what it's supposed to give anymore. I'm about to get something to eat. It's only 1:30 and where I'm going is not far from where I am now, so I'm just about to go get something to eat, and I'm gonna stop by Keon's house, see her, see my god baby, you know, spend a little time, whatever, eat, and then go get my hair done, because I'm ready to let this ponytail go already, y'all.
Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh yeah, want me keep on my diamonds and sex? What's your name? Keisha. Jazz.
In the last clip I told y'all I was probably gonna take my camera in to show Keon or whatever, or like while I was over there, But for one, I was already on the phone when I got there with Cameron and Lexus, and then we were all like having a conversation. Plus Keon wasn't dressed, so it was kind of a good thing I didn't bring my camera in there. Now it's 3:19 and I'm on the way to my hair appointment. They don't live far from each other, so I'm about to head over there and your girl's about to get slayed. It's not about to be no more of this little ponytail or my little puff for a while. So yeah, next time y'all see me, I will be at my hair appointment. I'm gonna do it like how I did for my birthday. Like I'm gonna show some of what's going on. I want to show everything, and then y'all know y'all take her steps or whatever, you know, giving away free game when she could, you know, give that to y'all herself. Let's hear what she does. That one little curl in the back. We here with it. Period. When you see Sheila, you know what's going on. I saw, but I thought it was a little smaller, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. Big boy shit now. Okay. Get into it. Get into it. Yeah, excuse my wigs. I need new one.
Dog John, say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. The other day, I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? Today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you up at the crib with another lady? You took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So keep yourself to me, if I'm the girl that you claim. Why don't you say the same? You said to me yesterday. You know you say that I am assuming things. So don't run us away with me. You know the way you act the strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. You saying everything to me times two. I can't choose.
Period. So your girl got a middle part bob. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Like my friend did her thing, Ivory did her thing on my nails. Like I am back and I'm better, and that's just that on that. This is basically all I have to do today. Tomorrow I have to go back to work, so I am just going to end the weekly vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this first weekly vlog. If you did, make sure y'all give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Kim Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we be lit together, period. And I'll see you guys in my next video.